So this is how you can turn on a voice writing on the iPhone, and let's get started. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to Foxtecc and you're not going to miss videos like this one. So you just need to open up your settings app like this and then go to the general section where we need to basically find the keyboard situation. So you can go to keyboard like this and we have a bunch of different keyboards and whatnot, and the writing using your voice is basically dictation. So we have an entire dedicated section for a dictation, and at first you have to enable it. So you turn it on like this, click on enable the dictation right there, so we have that available, and then you need to set up the languages. So you can go there, and based on those which you are using for your actual keyboard, those are going to appear in here as well, and you can check or uncheck some of the languages right here. And right now it's pretty simple because wherever you happen to be at the moment, you might be writing a note. Below your keyboard on the right, you have a little microphone icon, which you can tap on, and your text is being created in the real time as you speak. So this is the point of dictation. You are writing with your voice, and when you're done, you can just click on the microphone again and it will be finished. So that's how it works. It's pretty simple to set up, but if you have any additional questions, go ahead and leave them below in the comments. That's going to be about it from me, and I'll see you in the later tutorials.